Hi students, today we are going to discuss how to attend the online exam for upcoming February 8 onwards. The first year UG and PG courses are going to start online exam. Okay, so I'm going to show how to attend the mock test. There are 4 mock tests is available. The mock test will start from February 3rd onwards. Okay, 3rd, 4, 5 and 6. The timing and all we informed to via through your mail. Okay, just to go through your mail, we informed that exam time, mock test time, everything we informed, as well as the login id and the password also we informed. Okay, so I will go better. I am using now laptop, so go to Google Chrome. Okay, once again it page is loading. Okay, now the Google Chrome is open. Then you can paste the exam link. That exam link also we send via mail. Okay, in WhatsApp group also we share. If you have any issue, you can ask your class in charge, then put entire. Okay, so the page will open like that. In that we need to enter the login details. The login detail is nothing but your register number. Okay, for example, I will take the register number 20609 so this is a my student login id, so you can use your register number. Okay, then at wales walesuniv.ac.in, so this is a your login id. That means register number, your register number at walesuniv.ac.in, then click next button. Next, the password is nothing but the same register number 20609 okay, then click login. Okay, so your name will be appear here. Okay, okay, now the online exam portal is opened. Okay, so in that we having the details. So you are going to attend the first mock test, so the number showing here one course enrolled. Okay, so next. Okay, so this is for logout. So after complete the exam, you need to click that. Okay, we will see later. Okay, next. So go to my course. Okay, so no need to click my course or course enroll and all. Okay, so after login, just scroll down. Then in bottom, we having the details. Okay, when you are going to start the exam, and these details are available. Just you need to click the start course. Okay, now the detail mock test 1 is showing. Okay, there are in the mock test 1 2 3 4 is there. Every student need to attend 4 mock test. The on the particular date and the particular time you need to attend the mock test. Okay, so the time they given as a range. For example, today is a 12 to 5 p.m. means within the time period you can attend. So beyond that time, you should not log in. Okay. Similarly, from tomorrow onwards, that means mock test 2, it will start from 10 to 5. Okay. The details given in mail. Okay. Anyhow, now we are going to mock test 1. So in that date is given February 3. Okay. Next, there are 25 question is there. Two section is nothing but part A and part B. The total duration is 90 minutes. Okay, that means for university examination 90 minutes. For the mock test, if you completed 10 or 20 minutes, you can just log out. There is no need to wait for 20 minutes. Sorry, 90 minutes. Okay, if you completed, you can log out. Next, the total mark is 60 marks. Okay, so this is attempt 1. Then proctoring means what are the activities you are doing. The system will monitor your activities. So you should not open any tab. You should not talk with any other via phone and all. Okay. Next. So the MCQ questions are there are 20 questions is there. So if for the 20 questions the duration is 30 minutes and each question consists of 1 mark. So 20 to 1 20 marks. And part B there are 8 questions is there. Out of 8 you need to attend any 5 questions. Okay. So totally 60 marks. Okay, so the total duration is 60 minutes. Totally, if you together, there are 90 minutes. Okay, 30 plus 60, 90 minutes, and the total mark 20 plus 40 is a 60 mark. Okay, now I am going to take a test. Okay, so click the take test button. Okay, so then you need to click agree and proceed. Okay, then you need to ensure that the net speed connection, okay, as well as the upload speed connection, everything we need to verify that. Okay, then so here they asking use your microphone, use your camera, you need to click allow. Okay, so now the space will come here. Okay, so actually it is a student login ID. If I am clicking my login ID, it won't permit to appear the examination. Okay, so I did not click the capture button. Okay, because I log in my student mail ID, but actually the student ID only we need to show the faces. Okay, in case if I am clicking, that means if any other person log in, that my face recorded in the system. Okay, while examination, if he is going to appear, mean the system won't permit it. Okay, so this is a procedure. After capture, then the online exam portal will goes to the MCQ question, then go to click the answer in particular which one is the correct answer, like that. Okay, so after complete MCQ, then go to part B. Okay, in that part B, out of 8 questions you can choose any 5 questions. So in that you need to upload one by one. Okay, for example, if first question you are going to write in paper, after writing the content, just to capture the image and upload it. After successful, then go to second question, like that you need to do. Thank you.